So this is your ad group page, and on this page what we are going to do is, जो अगर आपको याद होगा हमने कीवर्ड प्लानिंग के टाइम में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्स के कीवर्ड डाउनलोड किए थे. Now those keywords which we have researched on the keyword planner and then downloaded them into the ad group format, we'll take them and we'll copy paste those keywords over here. वो कीवर्ड को हम लोग यहाँ पे कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे. हाउ? आई विल शो यू जो कीवर्ड्स मैंने लिए थे, कीवर्ड प्लानर से मैंने डाउनलोड किए थे. बेसिकली द फ्यू कीवर्ड्स. तो यहाँ पे जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लिखा हुआ है ना, ये आपका एड ग्रुप है. यू कैन सी यहाँ पे एड ग्रुप लिखा है टॉप पे, ये आपका एड ग्रुप है. तो क्या करना है आपको, ये एड ग्रुप का नाम, सो ये एड ग्रुप का नाम है कोर्स नियर. आई विल टेक दिस एड ग्रुप नेम एंड उसको मैं यहाँ पे लाके पेस्ट कर दूंगा. देन आई गो बैक ओवर हियर. अब कोर्स नियर के सामने एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट, कोर्स नियर के ऑपोजिट में जितने भी कीवर्ड्स है, यू कैन सी सामने ये सारे कीवर्ड्स है, कीवर्ड्स एंड दैट्स इट. ये कोर्स नियर के ऑपोजिट में ये सारे कीवर्ड्स है. ये सारे कीवर्ड्स को मैं कॉपी करूंगा एंड इनको ये वाले विंडो में पेस्ट कर दूंगा. आई पेस्ट दोस कीवर्ड्स ओवर हियर. आफ्टर दिस I'll go for create another ad group, because यहाँ पे मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ad group नहीं है, मल्टीपल ad group है. कोर्सेज नियर का एक ad group है, मार्केटिंग बेसिक्स का एक दूसरा ad group है. तो लेट्स से सेकंड ad group क्रिएट करूँगा मार्केटिंग बेसिक्स का. So I'll name this keyword or ad group as marketing basics. After this I'll go back over here. marketing basics के exactly opposite में ये 5 keywords हैं. So these 5 keywords what I'll take from here, which are exactly opposite to marketing basics, and I'll go and paste them out over here. And then I'll go and create my third ad group and so on. Like how many ever ad group you have taken, you have to go and create that many ad group out over here. And copy and paste them over here. So guys, this is how you guys have to go and take all the keywords, yes, which you have taken into that sheet. सारे ad group और उनके keywords आपको यहाँ पे लेके उनको उनके specific ad group में paste करना है. Okay, what's your ad group name and then के सामने exactly सामने जो keywords है वो आपको यहाँ पे लाके paste करना है. Then I click on save and continue and we'll move to the next page, which is your ad page over here. So guys, तो आपको कीवर्ड को बाय चांस कभी इफ देयर इज एनी काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूजन कीवर्ड को लेके कि इसमें से कौन सा एड को कौन सा कीवर्ड है, to make it more easy what you can do is, let's say मैंने फर्स्ट एड ग्रुप लिया, color them let's say more of yellow color, so यहाँ तक है, सॉरी. then ये मेरा सेकंड एड ग्रुप है. I'll take second ad group, the keyword which are exactly opposite to them, and I'll paint them in some other color. Then third ad group, and same way I'll go and color all the other ad group also, so that I can easily bifurcate. हाँ, ये मेरा ad group 1, ad group 2, ad group 3 easily समझ में आ सकता है आपको Excel में. Okay, so coming back to our ad page over here now. So now guys, this is your ad page. यहाँ पे आपको आपका ad का content आना जो आपके user को as an ad बाहर दिखेगा Google के search engine result page पे. Let's say on the right hand side you can see the preview. This preview is for mobile phone, yes, and this one is for desktop. How your ad will look like in case of a mobile phone and in case of a desktop. Now guys, for example, the very first thing they are asking me out over here is final URL. What I'll do, I'll go on to my website and मेरे website पे जाके the landing page where exactly I want my audience to land onto my website. Yes, now यहाँ पे अलग अलग pages होते हैं. Landing page can be your home page also, landing page can be your course page also, landing page can be your contact us page also, या तो आप landing page अलग से आपको कोई इंक्वायरी पेज भी क्रिएट कर सकते हो. So we have an inquiry page over here where if people they land over here, they can just go and enter their name, email address, contact number, so that when this lead will generate, we can connect to them. प्लस यहाँ पे हमने हमारे सारे कोर्स कर में मेंशन किया, लाइक डिजिटल ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम, ग्राफिक डिजाइन प्रोग्राम, डेटा साइंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम, advanced digital marketing program, and they can also go and download brochure from here. Yes, now that's basically my landing page. There is no home button, there is no contact us button out over here, so that they don't move from one page to another page. Yes, I'll copy this URL and I'll paste this URL over here. Always make sure guys you always go and copy the URL from the website itself instead of typing it over here. Typing possibility कुछ error हो सकता है. And let's say अगर error के साथ आपकी website live हो गई and if people they go and click on your ad, there are possibility they'll go and land onto some page maybe आपके website पे है ही नहीं, शायद उनको 404 error भी दे सकता है उसमें या कहीं और redirect कर सकता है. Then that you always make sure that आप website पे जाओ, copy करो, यहाँ पे लाके you just go and paste them. Okay. So basically, guys, don't worry if you know it's showing you something like this kind of a mark, it's showing me out over here because my website is HTTP. It's not HTTPS. I'm not using SSL certificate and hence it's HTTP. And that's why वो यहाँ पे मुझे ये sign दे रहा है. But it's okay. इसकी वजह से आपकी ad disapprove नहीं होगी. So then I need to go and enter my headline one. Now guys, headline one always make sure headline one should relate to your ad group. Now let's say if I go up, मेरा ad group है course near. So जो keywords है, this keywords are about digital marketing course near me, digital marketing courses, course near near me, digital marketing course nearby me, digital marketing course near me. That's what I'll do it out here is I'm going to put digital marketing course I'll put over here digital marketing course, and because I have restrictions to with regards to the number of characters, so let's say I can go and put over here best digital marketing course. So best digital marketing course, and in my headline too I'll go and write something like the USP of my product. What's the USP? Whether it's something like practical thing or learn from industry expert, or it can be something like my price point. So what I'll write over here is learn from industry expert. 26 characters. Cool. And also guys, always make sure first letter for each every word has to be in uppercase, not the entire phrase. Don't write the entire phrase in uppercase because in that case Google might go and disapprove your ad. पहला जो लेटर होगा आपके हर वर्ड का वो अपर केस में लिखना. Then in headline 3, now headline 3 are not visible in for all the location. पर let's say ad position में आपका headline 3 नहीं दिखता है. In that case what we'll do, we'll just go and put our brand name. That's the simplest way. Always go and put your brand name out over there. Possibility अगर दिखा well and good, नहीं भी दिखा you're not going to miss out on your audience not going to miss out on anything which is like important for them to know. Yeah. Then is your path. Now guys, there is a difference between your final URL and your path. अगर आप मेरा final URL देखोगे तो मेरा final URL right now is digifund.in /inquiry. मतलब अगर कोई मेरी ad पे क्लिक करेगा तो वो मेरे digifund.in /inquiry वाले पेज पे जाएगा. But this is what I don't want to go and show my audience over here in my URL. गूगल पे ad दिखेगी तो मुझे URL में inquiry वाला पेज नहीं दिखाना है यहाँ पे extension में. So what I'll do, I'll put over here something that relates to the your you can say ad group. So what I'll do out here is I'll write courses nearby because that's what they're typing out over there. Digital marketing course near me, digital marketing courses near me, digital marketing course nearby me. Yes, and that's what I've written. Digifund.in /courses /nearby. Course nearby. And then in case of a description, you can go and put across two description over here for 90 characters. You can define your what exactly you're providing out over here. So let's say I'll go and write something like digital marketing for certification. So guys, then goes your description 2. Description 2 is absolutely optional. There is nothing hard and fast that you have to write description 2. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर आप नहीं भी लिखोगे तो भी आपकी ad approve होगी. Let's say I have written learn on real time projects and live case studies as my description 2. after this, what I'll do is I'll go and click on done and create next ad. So I've created one of my ad. I'll click on cancel over here. So if you can see, I've created one of my ad for courses near. The same way, if I want to create another ad for the same ad group, I click on next new ad over here, and वो same window देगा मुझे जहाँ पे मैं I need to go and write final URL, headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, your path 1, part 2, which are for 15 characters. Then basically your description 1, 90 characters, description 2, 90 characters. Alright guys, the same way I have to go and make ads for other ad group also, like which is marketing basics. Then after that, if you can see, I have institute near. Yes, so basically I have to go and create ad for this ad group also. And after I've created all the ads, what I have to do is I just need to go and click on save and continue. Congratulations, your campaign is ready and you are almost ready with your campaign. You have done. And the next thing is your campaign is under review. So first, this campaign will go to Google team for review purpose. If everything is fine with your ad and everything fall under the guidelines, their policies, and if everything is okay, the next thing is your ad will go live. Out over here, the next thing I have to do is I need to just go and click on continue. Yes. So guys, now this is where you guys will get to see your overall campaign statistics. The very first thing you can see over here is your campaign name, then is your daily budget, whether your campaign is eligible to go live or not, then your impression, yes, how many times your ad was visible, then goes your clicks, what number of people actually went and clicked onto your ad, then goes your interaction rate. Interaction rate is nothing but your CTR, click through rate. What number of people actually saw your ad to what number of people actually went and clicked on your ad. If 100 people saw your ad and out of 7 people went and clicked on to your ad, that means your CTR is 7%. Then goes your average cost, what was the average cost for one click. Then goes your cost, how much you have spent overall. Conversion, what number of conversion happened out over here. Cost per conversion. So basically, let's say if you have invested, total cost is around 100 rupees and you got 2 conversion, cost per conversion is around 50 rupees. So this is it guys. This is all about the search network. If you guys still have any kind of question or doubt, you guys can also reach out to us. You can mail us onto our email address, which is siddharth@advisit.com, or you can also go and reach out to our website, which is digifind.in. On the website, we are given all the details with regards to our contact number, our email address, so you can connect to our team also and get your doubt clear. Okay. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay in peace.